alchemy is the transmutation of a base material into something more valuable. A central principle of the Shor House on Mayne Island is a kind of alchemical transformation of disused wood obtained from multiple sources. Just as the most energy-efficient building is conserving one already built, the most progressive edge of designing with wood is to recycle it into continued use. The Shor House demonstrates that careful deconstruction of wooden buildings, then refinishing and recombination of their parts into considered assemblies extends the life cycle of material otherwise destined for landfill. This is the new leading edge of design in wood. This project was constructed with a strong mandate to operate sensitively on the land to minimize the scar of construction. Much of the recycled lumber comes from the house and barn which once sat on this waterfront site, with an ideal orientation facing slightly west of south, looking across Navy Channel towards Pender Island. These two structures were unbuilt by a dismantling rather than demolition contractor, at first without a clear idea of their final use in the new building. The cladding, floors and frame were captured so the patina of age and wear could lend authenticity for their reincarnation in the new house. It goes without saying that there are substantial energy savings in using wood that has never left the site. This project is a test bed of recycling a zero-take approach. The design team extended their search for recycled building materials further away from the site. Yellow cedar ties were found from the dismantled Englewood Railroad on northern Vancouver Island, which ran from 1917 to 2017, then milled for use. Additional framing and finishing lumber was sourced from the former Turner Dairy, in Vancouver's Mount Pleasant neighborhood for use throughout the house, including exposed NLT flooring and the feature staircase. The architect describes this years-long process of scouting for materials and working with deconstruction specialists this way. There was a whole set of site assets that we needed to harvest and use a patchwork quilt that we threaded back together. It is important to remember that home is not just a place to live, but also a place where we can gather with family and loved ones. Therefore, it is important to choose a home design that suits your needs and lifestyle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss our latest videos. See you in the next video.